Take 1.5 cup of tur dal. Wash it and soak it for half an hour. Add 1 teaspoon of suki methi. Cook in Instapot for 10 minutes. Add water and red pepper, haldi, suka dana, and salt, and blend again. Add ginger. For the vagar, add methi, rai, red marcha, kadi patta, cilantro, hing, and add the dal. Simmer it for like 10 minutes or according to your taste. Put this 2 right now. Add enough according to your liking. Pepper and garlic dry paste. Add little bit of dal masala. Now taste. Add lemon before serving. Enjoy your Gujarati dal.